I don't know why I was going like this. I'll just wake up anyway. I inserted some double-ended dreads, and I hate them so much. But I worked so hard on the dreads. These are dreads. I decided to use the crochet method and not the steaming shut method, but the crochet method took like 20 minutes per dread to make. And after I was done, they were so like they were really heavy. I'll show you the back of them. They're incredibly heavy, like really, really heavy. I want to take them out, but I spent much time making the dreads. I wanted to actually wear it for a little. I'll get a little time. I braided them in. I'm gonna show you all. See, they're double-ended. This is one dread, and double-ended in their rubber band. This is the top rubber band on it. Double-ended. Because I was looking online and I couldn't really find any videos of the hairstyle natural hair. The rubber bands I was really iffy about, but my hair is really that fragile. So all in all, it took me a really long time to make these because frick, 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 because I don't know, it just takes a long time to tease the hair and everything. Some I mean the black ones I don't like this. Like some my dreads got better as I went on because a lot of them, like this one is one of my first dreads that I made first starting out. And because they took so long to make, I just didn't want to make it anymore. This is this is 40 dreads in my head. No, it's not 40. This is 30 dreads in my head because all the online stuff said that I needed 30 pencil thick. This is pencil thick, but I don't need 40 of them. I only use 30. So online said if you might need like 70 single ended dreads. So just do the double up thing. You can't really tell because my hair is so incredibly nappy. But thanks for watching. I would suggest not burning the ends. Oh my goodness. I would suggest not burning the ends because it makes the hair stick to other hair. This is my first time doing it, so I learned from that. I use a headband because I don't like let my edges look. Even though my little sister is like, it looks fine. She always just want to pump my head up, so I don't believe her. Thanks for watching.